Hi everyone. Let's solve the question on the board together. And the question says that if A plus B is equal to 5 and A minus B is equal to 3, find the value of A plus B in bracket multiplying A square minus B square in another bracket. To solve this question, we are going to use two different methods. So let's start with method 1. And to use the method 1, you first write down the equations that we have on the board. So the first equation is A plus B is equal to 5. And let's label it equation 1. The second equation is A minus B is equal to 3, and that will be equation 2. Since we now have two equations on the board, which involve two different variables, that is A and B, it means that we can use one of the methods that we normally use to solve simultaneous equations involving two variables. That is elimination method, substitution method, and the graphical method. And this particular question, the elimination method, will be easy for us to use. So let's solve it by using the elimination method. And to use the elimination method, it means that we have to add equation 1 and equation 2 together. And we are going to add them according to their corresponding terms. So here we have A and we have to add it to this equation, which is also A. And A plus A is 2A. So I have 2A. And here we have B plus minus B, and that will be 0. B plus minus B means B minus B, and it will be 0. And this will be equal to what we have in the right hand side. 5 plus 3. And 5 plus 3 is 8. Then since B has been eliminated, it means that we can solve for A. And to solve for A here, we divide both sides by 2 because the coefficient of A is 2. So that means that we have 2A over 2 is equal to 8 over 2. And this 2 will take away this 2, meaning A will be equal to 8 over 2 is 4. Now, since we know A to be 4, we can substitute it either in equation 1 or equation 2 to find B. So I will substitute it into equation 1 so that we'll be able to find our B. And substituting it in equation 1, it means whatever we see A, we are writing 4. And you can see that here we have A plus B. So it will now be 4 plus B, which is equal to 5. And to continue, we have B to be equals to sending 4 to go and join 5. It will be negative since we are sending it across the equal sign. So here will be 5 minus 4. And finally, B will be equal to 1. So now, we know our A to be 4 and B to be 1. But the question is asking us to find A plus B multiplying A square minus B square. That means that wherever we see A and B, we are substituting 4 and 1 respectively. So, to find the value of A plus B multiplying A square minus B square, it means that A is 4. Wherever we see A, we are putting 4. So I'll write 4 plus B, and B is 1. So I'll write 1 multiplying A square. So that will be 4 square minus B square, and that one will be 1 square. So if I'm to continue, I'll have 4 plus 1, and 4 plus 1 is 5, into 4 square means 4 times 4, which is 16, minus 1 square. 1 square means 1 times 1, which is 1. Then I'll have 5 into 16 minus 1 is 15. Then my final answer will now be 5 times 15. And 5 times 15 is 75. So the result of a plus b multiplying a square minus b square for these equations is 75. Before we continue to use the method 2, I just want to urge you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Nabla Mahmi Online Maths, so that you get much of my tutorials to watch. That is where I normally upload some of my videos. So try and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Now, let's now use the method 2. Method 2, that one, we are going to write the expression that they want us to find down. And that will be a plus b multiplying a square minus b square. And to use the method 2, you have to use the difference of two square approach. Because of this particular expression, we can use it in the form of difference of two squares. That means that this one is the same thing as writing it a plus b multiplying a minus b multiplying a plus b. From difference of two squares, if you expand this, you will go back to this form. So this is the same thing as these two multiplication in brackets. Then let's now consider something. From the equations given, a plus b is equal to 5 and a minus b is equal to 3. So checking through these expressions, a plus b is equal to 5. So we just write 5 there. So here will be 5 multiplying with this, which is a minus b. And a minus b from these two equations is equal to 3. So I have 3 multiplying with this, which is a plus b. And we know that a plus b is 5. So this will now give me 5 times 3 is 15. And 15 times 5 is 75. Or you can multiply this way. 5 times 5 is 25. And 25 times 3 is 75. And you can see that the method 2 result is the same thing as method 1 result. So to solve questions like this, you have to know the one that you are supposed to use, and the working will be easier for you. Thank you for watching this video. You can also share my Facebook post for your friends to watch, like I said earlier on. And do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nabla Mahmi Online Maths, for more videos. Bye bye.